Okay, everybody, our lesson today is circumference and arc length. And before we get into arc length, we're just going to do a quick review of circumference. So remember, sorry, let me get my pen working here. The circumference of a circle is the distance around the outside of the circle, and this should have an S in it, so make sure you correct your notes. So distance around the outside of a circle, another word for that is we could think of it as perimeter. So core concept, circumference of a circle, there's circumference C of a circle, can be first of all written as pi times the diameter, or the one we were using last time is circumference equals 2 pi times the radius, where d is the diameter of the circle, r is the radius of the circle, and remember we are using 3.14 for pi. Some of us have calculators at home, some of us don't have calculators at home, and we're using our cell phones, so it's just easier to be typing in 3.14 than searching for your pi button. Okay, review questions. Find the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 5 inches. So this time I'm going to say circumference equals 2 pi r, or circumference equals pi times diameter. Now if you're kind of confused there, just keep in mind that 2 times your radius, because radius is half of your circle. If you take half of your circle and half of your circle, you get the whole way across your circle, which is in fact your diameter, which is why this second formula over here works. So we can use either one. I'm going to go back to what they gave us. They gave us that we have a diameter of 5 inches. Well, if they gave us the diameter, that means I'm going to use this formula. So find the circumference. Circumference equals pi. We're going to use 3.14 times our diameter, which is 5. Okay, grab your phone or grab your calculator, whatever you're using, 3.14 times 5, and I'm getting circumference equals 15.7 inches. Next one, find the diameter of a circle that has a circumference of 17 feet. So now we're kind of working backwards here, and we need to find the diameter. Now once again we have two options. We have circumference equals 2 pi r, or we have circumference equals pi d. Now once again, because we want to find the diameter, I'm going to choose to use that formula and fill in what I know. Okay, so what we know the circumference is 17. So 17 equals pi 3.14 times the diameter, which is what we're trying to find. Solving that equation, divide both sides by 3.14. So over here, we're going to get our diameter, and then grab your calculators, 17 divided by 3.14, and I'm getting roughly 5.414. And on your homework, you're going to be asked to either round to the nearest tenths place or the nearest hundredths place. So on this one, I'm going to say hundredths place, which means 2 decimals. So 2 decimals, 1, 2. Look backwards. 5 are above, give it a shove. 4 are below, let it go. So I'm going to let this one go, and it's just going to be 5.41 feet is the diameter of your circle.